stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I am so excited you decided to join me today. Today's video, I am doing some cooking, some cleaning, and I also have a small haul for you guys for a middle of the week, kind of mostly snack shopping between our major grocery hauls. So let's go ahead and get right on into the video, and I wanted to start it off by cleaning up my kitchen. It was pretty close to dinner time, and I wanted to make sure that by the time it was time to cook dinner that my kitchen was clean. So I did go ahead and start with that first.
Your name, I'm wasted on you. Here we are right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah.
So once it was dinner time, I went ahead and went into the kitchen to start dinner, and I just used a pound of ground beef here, and I use this Montreal steak seasoning for burgers all the time. It is so good on burgers. It's really good on steak too, but my favorite way is burgers. And I was tagged in this on Facebook by somebody, and it was basically making like little burgers in a muffin pan, and I thought that it was like the mini muffin pan, but I think it was a little bit bigger than this. And these still worked out perfect. They're like little bite-sized pieces, and I absolutely loved them, and they were so easy to cook. So basically all I did was put the hamburger inside the muffin pan, and I pushed it down so there was a little bit of a hole in the center that I could fill with cheese. Now the recipe I was tagged in did have like cheese and bacon mixed in, which would be delicious. not gonna lie, but our bacon was frozen and I didn't have time to thaw it. Totally forgot about it, so I went ahead and just added cheese, and it was still perfect just this way.
Fast for a broken heart, maybe it's still worth stealing. I guess that life's an open road. I'll keep on driving, I'll keep on going.
Now, after baking in the oven for 10 minutes at 400 degrees, I did pull them out, and guys, this was so good. It looks like it's a mess. I know there is cheese all over the place, which is why I figured out that they used bigger muffin pans, which I've done it now since then with a little bit bigger of a pan size, and it was perfect. We loved them. But these were really good too. Like I said, they're little bite-sized pieces. And guys, I was shocked by how much grease was in the bottom of each muffin tin. So I know normally when we're cooking them on the grill, like we don't see all the grease that's coming out of the burgers. And we get fairly lean ground beef. So I was surprised to see so much. But you know what? It wasn't in my meal at the end of the day. So I was okay with it. And these were perfect. Now, the recipe that I got it from did top it with like green onions and ranch. However, I was not in the mood for that. I just wanted some plain, just like little burger bites. So I decided to go ahead and just pair the burger bites up with some broccoli. So it was a super quick, easy, low-carb meal, and it was filling. And I did add just some purple onion on top because I like my burgers with onions. And I had a little bit of barbecue sauce that was low-carb friendly on the side. Now, my stove gets so dirty so quick. I am the messiest cooker, apparently. So I did want to go ahead and give that a quick clean later that night. So I went ahead and did that using this little scrub detail brush. I absolutely love this thing, and I did use the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser on it. And I wanted to start off with cleaning the grates. Now, the grates, I don't clean as often as I probably should. I'm more focused on the bottom of the stove. So these definitely needed a good cleaning.
Baby, it's now or never. Gotta leave this town, and I know what you're asking for. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive. And I say it might take me nowhere. Anywhere is better than the places I have been. Sunsets in my rearview mirror, a projection of my old life fading. You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive. Lost outside of nowhere, a stormy rain tried to wash away the dream.
Now, like I said, most of the haul for groceries were just snack items. We were running extremely low. The kids are home all day and they go through snacks like crazy. So I'm going to do it a little bit different though. And instead of telling you what each item is, I figure y'all can read, you can see it. So I'm just going to go ahead and let the music keep playing while I show you guys what I got in this grocery haul.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 When we go to bed at night, we won't turn out the light until we made it right and repair the fight. We talk about what's tough, not afraid to bring it up. We laugh when times are rough. All of is enough to carry us through. You bring me roses on a Tuesday, kiss me at the red light. We both like to walk down in Shelby Park. You hold my head at bedtime, you know my favorite wine. This is why we work, why it's you and I.
In the middle of the day, you turn to me and say, come on, let's get
this town for a day. Get behind the wheel and drive. We don't care about the time with you by my side. I don't need to hide, I feel alive. You bring me coffee in the morning.
I did just want to also give you guys another quick overview. I did do a pantry makeover video and everything is still super organized and working out so well in here. I have had some issues with the contact paper on the bottom that I just used tape in order to keep it up since I did wrap it underneath it. But other than that, it has held up perfect. But that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it that thumbs up button and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.